Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. So for this week's malware and ransomware, BroadVoice, a voice over IP provider, exposed more than 350 million customer records, including medical prescriptions and financial loan transcripts, via an unsecured Elasticsearch database server. Hackers also compromised the networks of America's biggest book-selling giant, Barnes & Noble. The attack may have affected customers' email, addresses, and phone numbers, says the report. In the United Kingdom, scammers are sending fake emails featuring the Home Office logo to steal bank account details from unsuspected riders by claiming a penalty charge of about $40. In New York financial regulators faulted Twitter for poor security readiness of its network that led to the hacking of many celebrity Twitter accounts in July. Stay safe and have a great week.